So we'll be removing this coupling ridge. With this one, you can see in the video that the ridges are completely gone on the bottom, so we'll be replacing it with a new one. First thing to do is remove the rubbers, just covering the screws. Remove all 4 rubbers. You can use a flat screwdriver head to remove the rubbers. And as the rubbers are removed, you can see the screws inside. So let's unscrew all these. After screws are removed, then remove the cover. This magic mixer is old, so it took me some time to figure out how to remove the cover. I have to use pliers to pull it up. This is the screw that is holding everything together. One side you can hold the coupling with a plier, and then with the flathead screwdriver in a clockwise motion remove it. Removed now, we'll replace it with a new one. I tried different techniques to see how can I easily put the new one in, but the easiest technique that I found out but it was working was just using my hands. I held one side with the fingers of one of my hands, and with the other I moved the coupler around in counterclockwise motion to snag it real tight. I didn't use a screwdriver, and then I replaced the cover. And in the end, you cover the screws with the rubbers, and you're all done. And you're all done. Please leave a comment below to see if I can answer any questions that you might have. Follow me along for more videos.